I was really good, people. Welcome back to this back at me. I have this 2011 Land Rover Range Rover L322 5.8 V8 5.0 liter engine. This baby has 59,000 miles. We're gonna do a tune-up, spark plugs, air filter, cabin filter, and all that. All right. Most definitely, I'm gonna show you how to do the spark plugs. Alright, so come on, let's get it. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. Get your subscriptions for free. Take advantage of the offer while it lasts. Let's get it, people. Come on. Yeah.
During the video, you will see the picture of the tool I'm using for the project with its current price. Some of these tools come with up to 50% discount. It is very easy to get them. Just go to the description box of the same video and look for the name of the tool that you need. Right underneath of it, you will see the link which is going to take you to Amazon so you can finish your purchase. The tools will be delivered to you within 2 days or next day. Amazing, huh? Get the right tool for the job now. Yeah.
Let's see. I'm just gonna pop this out of the frame. Let me give you more light though. There you go. Gucci. Last cap. This is a V8, so it has 4 on each side, 4 spark plugs. I'm gonna remove this cover. Like so. Alright, Gucci. Yeah, I'm gonna put this oil cap back. I don't wanna lose it. Here it is. It's Gucci though. So good. So goody. Everything's right there, so not biggie. Everything's good. Let's check the other side. Everything's Gucci over here too. Just gotta move this to the side. Alright. Like so. Okay. On this one, it's a little bit different. Let me show you. Now the screw that hold the coil is underneath this rail right here. This rail right here. But we got this, coat. We got it. Don't worry about it. I got you, coat. Everything goody. Alright. Let's do the driver's side. On this one, I'm gonna show you how to do it on this one, and then you do the rest. Okay. The safety, we're gonna push it back like so. Then we're gonna squeeze it, pulse, and pull the connector back. All right. Like so. Okay. And this screw, that one's gonna be T30. Alright. With the T30 gonna come through. Get that hole. Alright. Then the coil come off. Put some wiggle in all that. Just pull it. Alright. That's the spark plug right there. That's our guy. Before you remove the spark plug, you gotta blow some air, right? But if it looks clean, then you don't have to blow anything. It's all Gucci. Just remove the spark plug. It's gonna be a 14mm deep socket. Right, here we go. There it is. Alright. Now put the new one and all that. Put everything back, you know. Don't forget to do the rest though. If you're really gonna do the tune-up. Alright. Kitty. Alright. On the passenger side. You see these clips, whatever you want to call it. Push it down, like so. And pull the rail. So, you know what I'm saying? Do the same with that one, and there's another one in the back. Let me show you. That one right there. That one. This one. This one. This one. Alright. Now, it might not come out all the way because right here, this guy right here, that's a plastic clip. Grab your clip removal tool and then clip it so you have more leverage here. It's kind of tight. Okay. But before you remove this guy, try to do the safety clips. Alright. Disconnect the connector and then do the rail. Because under the rail are the screws for the coils. Alright. Now to even have more leverage for this rail, you disconnect this guy. Okay, just press it here, pull it out. There's another clip that holds your wire. This one right here. It's gonna be right there. Okay, just pull it up. Now you have more leverage here. Okay. All right. Alright guys, you know, same way you remove it, same way you put it back. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. Hope you like the video, hope you enjoy. Catch me in the next one. It's me, Stu Boom, 2011 Land Rover Range Rover L322 V8 5.0 liter. How to do the spark plugs. Yeah.